Feeling like your money's just sitting in your bank account, barely growing? Tired of seeing those tiny interest rates that don't even keep up with inflation? Well, what if I told you that your money could be working for you? Yes, even while you sleep. And no, you don't need a degree in finance or thousands of dollars to get started. Today we're breaking down simple and powerful ways to earn interest on your money so you can watch your savings grow without the frustration. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we're all about helping you make smarter money moves and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but has the power to change your financial future: earning interest on your money. From high-yield savings accounts to the secrets of compound interest, we'll cover everything you need to know to turn your hard-earned cash into a money-making machine. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. Number 1, why earning interest matters. Okay, let's start with why earning interest on your money is so crucial. You've probably heard about inflation, right? That sneaky little thing that makes groceries, gas, and even your favorite coffee more expensive year after year. If your money's sitting in a regular savings account earning, say, 0.01%, you're actually losing money in terms of purchasing power. Ouch, but it doesn't have to be that way. By being strategic about where you put your cash, you can earn interest rates that outpace inflation, or even let your money compound over time. This means your money isn't just sitting there. It's growing and multiplying without you lifting a finger. Number 2, high-yield savings accounts. Your first step. Let's talk about the easiest no-fuss option: high-yield savings accounts. Think of these as your regular savings account but on steroids. Instead of earning a measly 0.01% interest, you can find accounts offering 3 to 4% annual percentage yields, APY. And guess what? Most of these accounts are online, which means they have lower overhead costs and can pass those savings back to you in the form of higher interest rates. Let's put that into perspective. If you had $1,000 in a standard savings account, you might make a couple of bucks over a year. But with a high-yield savings account, that could turn into 30, 40, or even more. It might not sound like a lot right now, but remember, this is just the start. The key is to use high-yield savings accounts for your emergency fund or short-term goals. It's a safe bet, FDIC insured, and lets your money work for you with minimal risk, the magic of compound interest. Now let's talk about the true secret to building wealth: compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. Compound interest means you earn interest not only on your original deposit, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. In other words, your interest is earning more interest. Let's say you invest $1,000 with an interest rate of 5% that compounds annually. After the first year, you earn $50 in interest. But in the second year, you're not just earning interest on that original $1,000. You're earning it on $1,050, and it keeps snowballing from there. The longer you leave your money, the more it grows. That's why starting early is key. Whether you're 18, 30, or even 50, there's no time like the present. Certificates of deposit, CDs, a safe bet. If you're looking for a safe and secure way to earn a bit more interest than your savings account, consider certificates of deposit, or CDs. A CD is like a savings account, but you agree to leave your money in for a set period, like 6 months or a year, in exchange for a higher interest rate. The catch is, if you need to withdraw your money before the term is up, you might face a penalty. But if you've got some cash that you won't need right away, a CD can be a great way to lock in a guaranteed return. Number 5, real estate crowdfunding. Earn while others pay rent. Okay, let's step things up a notch with real estate crowdfunding. Think real estate investing is just for the wealthy. Think again. With real estate crowdfunding platforms, you can start investing in rental properties or commercial real estate with as little as $500. The best part, you can earn interest and rental income while letting someone else handle the day-to-day management. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to buy real estate properties, and you get a share of the profits, like rental income or appreciation when the property value increases. It's a great way to diversify your income streams while earning passive income. 6, treasury bonds and government securities, safe and steady. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate in security, let's talk treasury bonds and government securities. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to the government, and they pay you interest in return. Treasury bonds are backed by the U.S. government, so they're considered one of the safest investments you can make. Sure, the returns might not be as high as some other options, but if stability is what you're after, treasury bonds are your go-to. Plus, they can be a good way to balance out your more high-risk investments like stocks or real estate. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Help others earn interest, want to earn interest while helping others. Check out peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. These platforms let you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, cutting out the banks as the middleman. In return, you can earn a much higher interest rate than what you'd get from a savings account. Just remember, with higher returns comes higher risk, as there's always a chance the borrower might not pay you back. But if you diversify your loans across multiple borrowers, you can minimize that risk and earn a solid return.